Hello everyone. So how do you keep on the government alerts on your phone? This is really important to do because you never know when there is some emergency and government gives a signal on your phone but your government alerts are off. Right? What we got to do is go to the setting of your phone directly. Go to the notifications area. This is just for Android phone users. We will cover for the iPhone users in the other video, right? So you go to the notifications area, you scroll it down, and you go to the advanced setting. You click on that, and there is an option of wireless emergency alerts, right? You click on that, and you have to keep them on, right? Allow alerts. So these are the alerts that are wireless. It means even if the network is not coming, the government will be able to control the notifications of it. So you have to keep it on. And can you see the notifications, the emergency alert history? Two have been shared on 2023. So two alerts were there. Different kind of alerts like extreme threats, test alerts, amber alerts, severe threats, all that stuff. And a reminder will also be there if you want. So you click on reminder, and as you scroll down you will see this option. So every 2 minutes it will give you reminder once the alert will be there, or if the alert message will come. If you want that alert message to speak up from the phone, you can click on that as well. So this is very crucial and interesting method of reaching to the public, because nowadays everyone has a phone with them and you can clearly be signaled in an emergency situation. Hope that never comes in any area, but in case, then this is the way to be alerted, to be aware of what is going on, right? So this is how we do it. See you in the next video. Ta-da.